curate, publish, share, and rank content inside of Google for any keyword in any niche. A system that allowed you to automatically update content and build links to your posts at a schedule of your choice. Now imagine a system that was able to do all of this with the added ability to leverage targeted traffic from authority social sites and being able to ping posts each and every time they get updated. Such a system would build links and send targeted traffic to your sites on a constant basis, plus it would boost your Google Fresh factor and rank your content higher in the search engines. And as you are likely aware, organic search engine rankings means free targeted traffic for your keywords. And that's exactly what WP Curation Pro is designed to do. Hi, my name's Abs Ravji, and when it comes to ranking in Google, everyone always says content is king. But coming up with ideas for creating content and then optimizing it, publishing it, as well as building links to the content is not so easy. And then you need to keep the content updated in order to send Google the right freshness signals so they know your content is still relevant today. It's a never-ending cycle that is time-consuming and painstaking, so we set out to find an easier and quicker way. And together with our dedicated team of internet marketing professionals and testers, we came up with a solid solution. Our latest WordPress plugin, called WP Curation Pro, simplifies the entire process into only a few steps. By using WP Curation Pro, you'll be able to discover new content ideas and topics, curate and create authority content from sites you love, drag and drop easy, publish authority relevant content that keeps visitors engaged, share content on social sites, send targeted traffic and build links to your content. And you will even be able to optimize content, automatically update content, boost freshness scores and rank your content inside of Google. It's an easy to use WordPress plugin that brings all of your research, your favorite sites, topics and niches into a single area so that you're always and instantly in a position to curate and create relevant content like a true marketing pro. So let's take a closer look at WP Curation Pro in action. Once installed and set up, the WP Curation Pro features will be available on every post and page on your site. It can be configured to work with any site that has a feed. For this demonstration, however, I've already got everything configured in the settings area, but I promise to take you around and show you how easy it is to get everything